tried to fix it, we really couldn't. We couldn't do it. So I ended up taking it to a guy at a shop to extract the bolts, and he put in some new bolts and fixed my oil drain line. As of right now, the car's been pretty all right. A few little mishaps here and there. Once I get back to tuning, everything will start to fall back into place. I'll be on my way to making some more power.
Testify! A more power, baby! No low power, baby! Only more power, baby!
The R18, the boosted R18 is back and driving. You know, it's been working for what I needed to work for. You know, just hit a little boost again, so why not? And it's still going into boost pretty alright. So if you've been around and following the channel for a while, you'll remember what it started from. We actually used to ride scooters, and well, we're kind of gonna, even though we talked about not bringing that back, we're gonna bring it back just a little bit, just a little bit. Oh, I'm also filming with the GoPro now. There's the surprise. Side exit exhaust. Like I said, it's not completely finished because, well, the mechanic that I took it to, he broke that weld off, which, in all honesty, it was probably an unsafe area to have it just completely stiff right there anyways. But, you know, we're here at the skate park. There's Kelby. And Houston's gonna be the first one with the GoPro on his head.
Dang. Oh gosh. Oh. Well, scooter fans, it's been a while since we've been on, well, riding scooters. But you know, we're back at it, I guess. I hope you enjoy this video, I guess. Probably not that good, honestly, but ooh, try that next, Kelby. Oh my. Are they trying to blow up that bird? Oh no. Oh. I'll get that one again for you scooter fans. Feels really weird talking to myself. There's the cops. All right, let's try that again. Oh, there we go. Oh gosh. Oh, my bad, man.
This is gonna be weird with my hair, man. Should be fine. It's a pretty big view, like, honestly. All right, so we're back in the scooter game. We're just gonna hit the hip real quick. All right, let's see. Front side lip slide, and then a ride.
Dude, I feel like a bowling pin.
Yeah.
Probably look like one too. Open your mouth.
All right.
Okay. And then you have the 12-year-old kids shooting fireworks off at the skate park. Well, welcome back to one of our videos. We're going back to the scooter tricks. Yeah, I've only been riding for like a month, so I kind of suck right now, but it's okay. See, can't even toe whip yet. I'm booty, man, I'm booty, but it's okay. I'm watching my little nephew too, and my mom's probably gonna pull up and be like, where's my son at? And I'm gonna walk up with a bowling pin on my head, looking like a bowling pin. It's gonna be a fun time. My mom might take a picture of me and make fun of me, but it's okay. Oh man. Yeah, this is This is hard, man. I'm all talking to y'all guys, and this little kid thinks I'm talking to him.
Idle too long in park or whatever.
But I don't know. I was gonna say something, and then I forgot. Oh, I remember now. All these kids are like looking at me because I'm talking to myself. There's parents here like with their kids. They're all just laughing at me. They're like giving me funny looks for talking to myself.
I'll give you funny looks for talking to yourself.
Houston, you give me dirty looks. But not like mean dirty, like the wink wink dirty, you feel me? All right, well, I'll see y'all later. Deuces. I just dropped the helmet, and Caden is picking it up for us because he's a great nephew. But thanks for watching. Make sure to buy merch, like, comment, and subscribe.
If you want.
Look, check it out, Boost.